Right, tá sé bhar aisleam le cuidiú dé, anis thuaim mé fríd na nótaí sa takes leor saoíocht, agus tá sé táhachtach go nárcan sibhar na físeáin sin. It's really important you follow those tutorials, folks. Go through the notes in the book so that you have a bigger understanding of the character, right? So na nótaí atá agamsa, tá sé rudbug níos gira, wee bit shorter, rudbug níos simply, but ag an am céirna, caithí sibh golfríd na nótaí sa leor fasta le cuidiúm sa darnóí. But cibé, seo na nótaí atá le fóla magah. So an fear Dall, seo Paul. Is fear man éasta an fear Dall. Okay, watch out for whatever I have in bold here. He's a middle-aged man, fear man éasta. Tá sé rudbug nervíiseach an hain. He's a wee bit nervous, so every time you see something in bold here, it's an adjunct le cur séas a dhéanú character sega. Agus ben sé curhanach in amani. He does be curhanach, restless in amani in uranta. Tá sé sullier go bra leis an sail, agus gohfuil sé sonna. So it's clear that he loves life and that he's happy. Gohfuil sé sonna. Cénach bhfuil réarc na súil aige, even though he doesn't have réarc na súil, he doesn't have his eyesight. Níl trua aige dó héan. He doesn't have pity for himself. He doesn't feel sorry for himself. Tá sé cúsáasta lena héal, and he's so happy with his life. There's another one, sásta. Nach digan sé sail príomhaideach iniella, that he doesn't understand other people's sail príomhaideach, privacy, you know, like their personal space. Current sé is Jackar an Vanog, so he annoys the Vanog an train, mar ní higann sé nach bhfuil fun cainte arthaí, because he doesn't understand that she doesn't feel like chatting. So fun something is to feel like doing something, you know, fun itche to feel like eating, fun siúil to feel like walking, fun cainte to feel like chatting. Bíonn trua ag an lucht fécana dó. Now, the lucht fécana are the audience, sin Virginia. So the audience feel bad for him, do, mar tá sé so gonta, because he's vulnerable, so gonta, agus tá asthma air. Íhan sé nós muice, he eats like a pig nós muice. Muck is a pig, but nós is one of those phrases that brings on the genitive. Íhan sé nós muice, ach níl an basa aon sé sa geru tiltte aige. But of course, him dying in the end, níl sé tiltte aige. He doesn't deserve that, ag geru an scanine. So sin a cimra mas mian live na nótaí an fear Dall. That's a kind of a summary of the notes on the fear Dall. Pay particular heed to all the adjectives, hen, do, trí, ceathair, cúig, sé, there's 6 or 7. Le cur séas a dhéanú a character. Bhí cinse go bhfuil na nótaí sin ólas agah don lá marach leabhar dul. Agus an sin, Rocky mé ra fríd na nótaí mar Catherine an Vanog an train, as an leor saoíocht, agus an sin ma cuid nótaí héan mar hí, okay? Sin don lá marach bigi gobar live. Gur maigh of a cardja